Hi everyone, my name is Azrael. Tama ba sinabi ko Azrael? This is a very long story. No? Magkakilala kami ni Andre and Apple for 22 years. Gano'ng katagal? That was year 2022. Diba? 22 years. It was a time na parang first time ko sila nakilala sa Uniqlo event. Gulat ako eh. May nagpapicture sa akin, buwa akong lalaki. Sino to? Sabi ko gano'n. Then may kasama siya. Jowa? Okay. So nagpa-picture. Nakapagdun niya ako sa YouTube. YouTube? Okay, sige. Nag-isip ako sa, okay, pakilala siya. Part of the tech media community. And ayun na. Parang, pag-ray ko, inaabangan ko yung post nila. Gagawin ko na yung picture ko. Kasi wala rin ako ganun picture eh. And I think minus yata. Kasi nakita ko. And ako yung walang na-post na picture. Pero na-mention ko yung sa video ko. And parang nangyari, it was love at first sight sa kanilang dalawa. Parang, sino itong guy ko? So itong girl na to? Parang, okay, they're covering events, tech events. Mas sabi ko, mababait sila. Sabi ko, okay, so then we are hanging out. We always meet up sa mga tech events, din ang aming bonding. Pagka uwi na, kumakain namin ng ramen, it was the perfect bonding na, hang out. And then, parang bago siya mag-propose, I'm with Apple, parang si Apple natawag ako Nomi, Ninong. Sabi ko, ano tawag ako Ninong na ito? Parang, I think baka ipapaklit lang kasi, pero diba? Hanggang sa araw-araw na lang nakikita kami, sa mga Nomi ng Nomi, Ninong ng Ninong. Sabi ko, parang alam ko na ito kung saan pumunta. So ako mas thinking, kasi siyempre si Andre, hindi pa naman siya nagsasabi, Hoy, Ninong us. Kasi si Apple talaga yung Nomi ng Nomi. Sabi ko, okay. Saan kaya tayo dadalhin ito? So ako naman, sakay lang naman ako. And then yun naman nangyari. Parang, nagkasalubong kami sa gateway, kasama ko yung wife ko, unexpectedly. So saktong-sakto. Si Andre, hinihingi na yung kamay ko na pwede ka ba natin maging ninong sa kasal. Doon, boom! Sakto, kasama ko yung wife ko. May pruweba, may witness. Sabi ko, totoo to dati sukay ko ng mga ninong sa binyan. And nandito na ako sa point of my life, the first time to be a ninong sa kasal. Eh di nag-google ko mga role ng ninong. So yeah, mag-gets ko na, okay. Tapos, ito, nagsi-speech na ako. Oh my God, ano ginagawa ko dito? But, si Andre and Apple, I'm very happy to see them. Lalo na yung sa church. Oh my gosh. Yung music, they play canon in major D. At ano, canon. Saktong-sakto. Ano yun? Pinag-isipan niyo ba talaga? Hindi talaga. Canon in major D. Nag-away pa kami ni Bob. Ano bang pangalan itong musika to? Kasi si Bob is a musician. Tumututok sa simbahan niya. So, ayun, canon in yun. Tama yun. Sabi ko ba, hindi ba yung minor D? Hindi ba yung major D? It's very, one of my favorite na tutulog. Very happy. Especially yung Utadahi ko na first love. It's a very perfect Also, the venue of church is St. Francis Assisi. It's my favorite class section in high school. And also, the street of this venue, Santo Street, pinastreet ko sa bahay namin, Santo Street eh. Talagang, sabi doon, talagang sakto-sakto. May ibig sabihin ito. So, talagang very, parang national event na atong pwede nila. Kasi galing ako sa media event kahapon, dito biro nung nalaman, may media event kami dapat for today. It's a very big brand, national brand. Nung nalaman nila, nung wedding nila ng February 7, minawid nila, inansel nila yung national event nila. So, inatras nila, ginawa February 6. Nasyak kami, totoo. Di ako naniniwala una. Okay, that's good. So, ito na. I'm here. Naninong na, tumayo sa stage, asa sa church, picture, namit ko sila. Yung nagigisi sila, naiingit ako. Pati ako, napapakita sa sarili ko eh. Sabi ko gano'n, ganun pala ako kasi marami ko iniiwasan ng mga wedding events ng mga popular persons. Pero nahihiya na ako na because I'm very young that time, hindi pa ako ganun very responsible in accepting invites. Eh, ito yung invite na hindi ko matanggihan. Kasi hindi mo, it's a very different role and first time ko. And being with them as, first time din nila, it's a new chapter. And I accepted that new chapter. Part na rin din ako sa new chapter nila. At actually, hindi lang speech yung pinapare ko eh. Naiyak ako talaga. Nag-prepare din ako ng song para sa kanila. Gusto niyo ba yan? Actually, gusto ko maging wedding singer eh. And naisip ko, yung family natin, sa singing music to eh. Okay. So sabi ko, sige, one shot na lang to. Ready na ba kayo? Itong song para sa inyo. Music. Wala, absent. So, kanta na lang ako. This song is dedicated to you, Andre. Hindi siya makakalimutan. At pag nag-platinum label ko, sa Spotify. Alright? Andre Apple Andre Apple. Sabayan niyo ako please. 1, 2, 3. Andre Andre Apple. Yun na po, yung aking prefer na song. Hindi na nakakalimutan mo. Ay parang, grabe sabi ko, alam niyo ba, sabi niya, pwede ka na mag-speech? Ha? Okay, sige. Sabi ko, ay feeling ko si Bob Reyes mag-speech din. Sabi ko, nakita kami kahapon, uy, mag-speech ka ba? Hindi. Ba't ako lang mag-isa mag-speech? Okay, sabi ko, sige. So every night, bago ko matulog, alam mag-speech ko. So nag-iisip ako, nagbiro pa nga ako, sige, mag-chat GPT na lang ako. Sabi niya, again, I'll do this straight from the heart. So, may script ako. Eh, yung mga nag-stock kanina dito, sabi ko, agad naman pala, magpapintuan lang pala. Kaya ko yan. So, nag-post kami nito, ay, ganun naman pala, eh, nag-cheers. Eh, gagawin ko yan. Ulitin yung mag-cheers ulit. Sabi ko, wag na, nakakanta na lang ako. So, nag-compose ako ng song. Consult ako sa mga composers. Sabi ko, okay ba to? So, ayun. Actually, that's inspired from Jim Carrey. Hinahanya mo na lang. Last minute, uy, okay to, gagayahin ko to. Ayun, nag-guess sa nila. Actually, parang medyo religious na yung sabihin ko, pero tugtungan ko na lang isang totoong kanta na inspired from a song called, isang banda sa Japan called Lark and Shell. The song goes like this. The color is singing, shining rain is overflowing in your mind. Look at the skies, and I feel the flies. So yung song na yun, okay, yung song na yun is all about love. May ibang translation about, you can be together, and one of the most part that will break your romance is financial problems. Pero yung ako na pumunta doon, I want to share that love is always around us. Because love is a transformative, powerful, divine force associated with God. Totoo, di ba? Alam niyo yun, kasi lahat tayo na in love. You know that feeling na it will be click. It's like, alam niyo yung love at first sight. Love at first sight na ako. I'm married for 15 years. May wife ako, may anak. And I have a lot of friends. So, yung medyo mahaba yung sasabi ko, sabihin nyo 10 minutes na lang, no? Yung sa church kanina, I was explaining, I was observing. This is my first night to attend a real wedding. Dati kasi pag wedding, reception na yung inisip ko, kakain lang ako. Pero sa simbahan talaga ako sa unahan. Sabi ko, ko, ba? Alam mo, pag-principal sponsor, tayo ba mag-sponsor ng venue? Sabi, hindi naman daw. Okay, sige. Italago ko na yung credit card ko. So sabi ko gano'n. To follow na lang, pay Maya, yun. So during that marriage, I was listening to the priest, the ceremony, and observing the two of them. Sabi ko, the marriage is not just about them. Okay, the marriage is all about us. Lahat, parang sila kinasal, tayo kinakasal din with them. Kasama tayo doon. Because marriage, ito na, dito seryoso na to, no? Kasi marriage is like creating your new family. Andre and Apple's creating a new family, part of Andre's family, Apple's family, so one big family. And kasama na yung mga friends, mga ninong, ninang, yung mga kumakain sa dulo, kasama yan as part of a family. Yung marriage to create is family. Family talaga eh. Hindi yung Kevin Diesel ng family. Nakakita sa nanonood ng Fast and the Furious. So, totoo pala talaga yun. It's all about family. Are you bro? Talagang, doon ko na-realize na, okay, ito yung point na my role as a ninong, your role as, kumatit lang. Hindi yun yung parang role kagad eh. The role is being part of this new family na kasama tayo, na dapat hindi natin sila iwan. Ako, ninong yung role ko, hindi ko alam eh. So, maybe, siguro I can share my experience, my advices, support. That's all I can offer. Parang kung ano yung kaya mong gawin, that will be my role. Kasi it's my first time to, parang doon ko na, kumbaga, na-check sa isipan ko na it's all about family. This new family. Happy family. And our witness is God. And also God is also part of our family. So lahat tayo magkakapamilya. Palapakan po tayo. Dahil lahat tayo ay magkakasama as part of Andre and Apple. So I'll end now my speech. Now, Andre, you have found your apple of your eye, your Apple ecosystem. Mga naka-iPhone, alam na alam. And Apple, you found your Ibardi forever. So, congratulations sa dalawa sa inyo. At buti wala yung wife ko dito, wala nang tawa ng tawa yun. Katawanan ako after. Nung pinagsabi ko, at naka-record, patay tayo dito. Upload na lang yan. So ayun, congratulations. Thank you for being, accepting me and being part of your family. And itong journey, sama-sama tayo. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And order anything you want. Sila na bahala.